Natürlich so viel Spaß mit Alive Again. For you, good luck, guys.
Thanks.
Hope to see you back.
Yeah.
Perhaps in
We
1 year
also
you
too.
come back to Luxembourg.
Yeah.
Und wie gesagt, wenn ihr einen Platz versucht, nicht so viel zu spielen, melde dich bei uns auf der Facebook-Page, da gehen wir dann den Zunge weiter. Nur dann, wie gesagt, Alive Again, live und akustisch Ummeldung.
They say we're too young to amount to anything else. But look around, we work too damn hard for this just to give it up now. If you don't swim, you'll drown. But don't move, honey. She looks so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so let's get out, cause this deadbeat town's only here just to keep us down. Well, I was out, I found myself alone, just thinking if I showed up with a plane ticket at a shiny diamond ring with your name on it, would you run away too? Cause all I really want is you. You look so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so down. I made a mixtape straight out of '94. I've got your ripped skinny jeans lying on the floor. And I know now that I'm so down. Hey, 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 hey. You look so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so down. Your lipstick stain is a work of art. I've got your name tattooed in an arrow heart. And I know now that I'm so down. Hey, hey, hey,
Alive Again.